Thanks for joining me today. We're going to talk about sketchbooks and how powerful they are. So, what is a sketchbook? Basically, a sketchbook is anything that combines all your artwork into one location. So it could be a book that's bound, it could be a stack of papers that you keep together. A sketchbook could be digital, if you have an iPad or a phone and have the ability to draw something out on it. And sketchbooks are a great place to keep all of your ideas in one central location. It helps with organizing your thoughts and your progress, practice. I have a lot of different sketchbooks, and I tend to use the bigger sketchbooks because I like to have a lot of space to draw in. And I'll show you a few here. This one, Big B sketchbook. And this Big B one, it has lighter paper, it's not as thick. So I use it to just jot down some ideas and explore different techniques. This one's a little smaller. There we go. And this is nice. It's a good size to bring with you wherever you go. As you can see, I've used this a lot. It's a little used. This one's a mixed media, and it has stronger paper, so you can use ink, watercolors. The paper's a lot thicker, so if you're into that. Here's a bigger size of the mixed media, and again, if you use ink, any kind of watercolor or pencil, if you like the thicker paper. Here's another one. It's got 50-pound paper, so the paper is a little bit thinner. And so if you use marker or ink or anything like that, it'll probably bleed through. It's like this. Here's this guy here. And we'll show you how it bleeds through. And if you like to draw on really small books, here's a tiny one. It's 3.5 by 5. You can jot down some quick sketches wherever you are. Fits in a purse, in a big pocket. My favorite sketchbook is this massive one here. Here we go. And it's a 60-pound paper, so it's a little heavier. 400 series. It's just got good texture and quality paper, so I draw a lot in this one. The great thing about sketchbooks is it's a good place to see your progress. It's like a journal, so you can see where you began and where you are now and compare how you've been improving. So it's really nice to see that. Also, if you want to make a final drawing piece, sketchbooks are great to go in and kind of work the composition, figure out how you want it to look before you commit to the final piece. It's also great to use it for learning new styles or techniques or anything new. I'm learning how to draw anatomy a little bit better, and sketchbooks are a great place to just draw whatever, however, and not worry about if it's perfect, and just to explore. So a few tips about sketchbooks. Keep it handy, keep it with you wherever you go, because you never know when inspiration will take place. And also use it to experiment with different mediums: paint, watercolor, gouache, acrylics, ink, charcoal, graphite. Another tip, spend time in your sketchbook regularly. You want to see progress and improvement. It's important to consistently use your sketchbook. So set aside some time every single day to just draw something in your sketchbook. It doesn't have to be perfect, it could be anything. Also, don't worry about perfection. It's a place to practice, and you don't even have to show anybody. Just let your mind go and explore and have fun with it. As a beginning artist, as a seasoned artist, sketchbooks are powerful tools for us to grow our skills, be more confident in drawing, try new things, and get a sketchbook, try it out, and see your progress. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I will have more videos coming out soon and hope to see you there.